See that headlight? It's coming out. I just removed that bumper. But first, let's show you how to do that. Do I have to show you how to pop the hood? No. Rod there. So I already started digging around, and it seems like this bumper's been taken off once before. This was unclipped. So I unclipped the second one, which is this one. Now we gotta get this one off, along with, I'm sure, that one, probably that one, that one, that one, that one. I don't think you need to take these off, but we will see. Let's see. Put them in a safe place. Starting. So we gotta get this one out. Look, bare hands. Arr! Take this one out. You thought I was gonna say it again, didn't you? Haha. Okay, I didn't pause it, but I didn't waste that much time. I got 5 so far, and I think this one's in the corner. Let's start pulling this one out and see what we need to do to get the whole bumper out. Look at these tiny little things. Idiotic. Gotta pull the centers out. That's what you gotta do. This is how I can tell someone's already been here. See how it's already chewed up? So, pop the center out. 2 hands, please. So it seems like only one of the corners, because it goes into this white clip. There's another one there I took out, just in case. Let's go get the other ones. Uh-oh, she's shaking. She's shaking. Let's get up and get this. Looks to sound like gunshots. Just pull. We're gonna pull this out, you see? They sound like they're going to break, but with 2 hands, this whole thing was about to come off. So let's get it ready. Okay, mostly all clips. Clip, clip, clip. And they're all going to align properly. So see it's starting to pop off. Let's get this one and get her on the ground. I'm not taking a flight risk in unplugging that because the battery's still on, but you get the idea. Whole bumper's off. Like that? Good. So do I. 1 10 mil. 2 10 mil. 3. And there's got to be another one. There you are. Look, not long enough. Got longer. Now I got 4 of them out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's see if this is all it is to get out. Let's get 2 hands going because we got this little guide right here. Let's get this thing out. Cool. It's in my hand. Part number? Anything? Let's go see. So the only thing I could remotely say is a part number is probably that. Everything else is just So I'm not going to take the other one out, but it's the same way. Got 4 bolts, and I'll show you how to do that. I don't see anything. No part number. So we'll find the link. We'll get this thing in your hands. Now after all that, did I have to show you? I had to squeeze the clip to get it off. Seriously? You have to squeeze the clip to get the headlight out. Right? Right. Now, same thing. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I see no part numbers, so I'm not even going to bother. So let's put this bumper back and show you that we were never here. Oh, and threaded one is the side. Got it? Good. So, I typically do everything by myself. This was the hardest, right here. Make sure you put your actual hip into it. And make sure these puppies... Oh, sorry, the giraffes. They pop back in. So you want to get this rubber behind like it was. And these line up. So I'll put this one back so I don't get... Let's see, these all overlap. See, they just snap back in. So these, same thing. Ow! They just snap in. See? So there you have it. We'll put 10 mils on the bottom. Make sure they're lapped up correctly. See? These probably have to be under. No, they're not. That's how they are. You see the ring. The ring of fire. So put them all back. There you have it. Like it, don't like it, share it, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.